Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading. So, there is this quick message that came through. I was just focusing, and then it came through as in, like, how hard it is for this person to tell you. This could be anything. Maybe it's their emotions, you know, their intense thoughts, their intense feelings, um, anything that is connected with emotions, anything. But it has to do that it's difficult for this person, it's hard for this person. So, whoever is going to pertain with this, you'll know. So, if there is someone on your mind or you're connecting and you people talk or anything, but they're not letting you know exactly. Not right now. It's not that they won't, but just that maybe it's very hard for them to tell you that, you know what, I feel this for you. Maybe because they don't know how you're going to react. Maybe because it's very unpredictable. It's a very confusing and complicated phase when something is brewing, and it's brewing in one person's mind or heart, and the other person, they don't know what they are feeling, or goes vice versa. It does scare the person that they don't want to lose you. Okay. Or they don't want to just scare you away. So I do feel like they don't want to scare you away. Okay. Okay, let's see. So if you wish to support this channel, you may do so via PayPal, and thank you actually for doing. Whoever is doing, hit the bell icon to get notified. And something is going wrong with YouTube technical things. Sometimes it's auto-generated CCs in English, sometimes not, because at my end it's fixed. It's fixed. I don't change it. So I don't understand what is wrong. Okay, let's see what is coming for you. Ooh. What is coming? Six of Swords with Page of Cups kind of energy. We cannot ignore it if we see it. I'm sorry for the egg. Okay. We cannot ignore it when we see this. What is coming is Page of Cups coming. The moment of truth. They cannot breathe. They cannot breathe, okay? But they are going to dare to come in your environment, in your habitat, from their habitat, and they're going to feel this for so much of anxiety and confusion and nervousness, and then they're going to say something to you. Maybe not huge or something, but they're going to say something. Maybe tiny words. This person is going to show you how they feel for you. They're going to send you something how they feel for you. Could be just a tiny gesture, via anything, but they're going to tell you, they're going to show you that I feel something for you. I admire you so much. Okay, so this Page of Cups could be an offer, a handshake, of something having different feelings. It's not a formal handshake, it's something of emotions and warmth. Um, an offer of, um, I don't want to say love because it's not that easy here, okay? Because it's going to be a different aspect, like in figuring out each other's aspect, knowing about each other. So this is going to be an offer of, like, a gesture or admiration, okay? Pages coming, reciprocation, messages, something like that. Could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but all said, it's coming. Six of Swords. So mentally, someone is preparing self to page you, to write something to you. They're preparing. because it's not that easy, but they're preparing, figuring out better words, beautiful words. Okay. I'm also hearing, I know you're looking at me. Like you feel that they're looking at you, even if they are like, even if it's online or even if somewhere you meet, but it feel, you feel as if like someone is looking at you, like you already know, like when you, it's like telepathic signal or something, or your intuition is telling you. It's also about your stories or statuses or reels or somewhere else, but it's like they're looking at you. And sometimes when your intuition tells you that and you look and someone is looking at you already, and you're like, whoa, that it's right. It's like holding each other. This person, they want to hold you in their life. Whoever is the next arrival, very strong, could be new, could be someone you look but you're not involved. You know, this person is going to be holding you very close. And if yet not, they wish to hold you. Now, holding doesn't mean physical. Holding mean emotionally, with their gestures to make you feel comfortable. They want to hold you in a way so that you don't run away out of feeling like you're exhausted or uncomfortable. They don't want to make things like that for you. They want to make things subtle. They want to make things like you heal in that aura, okay? So they wish to provide you that habitat where you feel fine, all right, you can breathe, you know what's there. You don't feel yourself in a complicated situation, like you're stuck somewhere. No, no, they don't want to do that. This is someone who does want to know you better, 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 better. For some of you, this could be reunion. For some of you, this is union, someone's arrival in your life. It's going to be very sudden and quick. But then again, this is not someone who, they don't want you to go. That's what I mean. It's also indicating like a brief meeting, brief like talk or something is going to happen here. Um, and they're going to just take out time and they're going to rush towards you and they're going to talk and they're going to say that I'll be back. Like we're going to meet again and we're going to talk about everything that is supposed to be happening. Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There could be choices even. There could be someone else's arrival. Like there could be suitors. If one is late, they're not taking any step, it doesn't mean you're going to sit and wait forever. That's life. Time is slipping. It's going. We're supposed to be living our life. If something is not worth, don't wait. Ouch. I thought something bit me, like an ant. Gone crazy for forever. Someone is going crazy for you for forever. It's like developing feelings and then acting on it. And there I see a curious face of talk, knowing, figuring out. Peekaboo in future. Aquariuses. Someone is, that's what I heard. They said look up and I said, I heard like growing in your feelings and growing, yes. Like, is that a saying like someone is growing on you? So it's like someone is having all those feelings for you. You the wish, maybe. Maybe. Let's see peekaboo in future. The card came out, but the bottom energy is the Lovers. They said stop, stop, stop. With that being said, someone might be dealing with Virgo or an Aquarius. But this is for Aquarius, so maybe another Aquarius. There is someone who is deep down, they feel very strong for you. I want to whisper in your ear and I want to say, I can guarantee that. Someone is not into self. The Emperor. Right now, someone is not into self, but also they're not in this Emperor stage right now. They don't have good hold on self or on their situation right now. Could be an Aries. Someone who is not going to be fitting, who is not going to be the Emperor, will fall from your eyes, from your life. There is someone's entry. Else, possible soul suitors too. Sudden out of the blue. Could be same, could be someone new. Okay. With this, whoever is, they feel like, what should I do? They're not feeling into self. This Emperor is, literally. I'm sorry, I go wrong with words sometimes. Don't mind. I'm not perfect. I heard Cecily, Cecil. And also, I wanted to say, when I was like focusing, I I wanted to mention, but I couldn't. I was unable to. That I saw white beard, and then you got this a flip person of Emperor who's having white beard. So maybe someone is having that. Long, short doesn't matter by having that, and they just love it. The person who's having that, they just love it. That's why they're keeping it. Um, White silver hair, nice, very crisp. Okay, someone is not in self. This masculine is feeling like, whew, I have to be on that level. Someone who's not right now holding something. Like they want to work hard and they want to achieve this position so that they can, talk to you about something very big on their mind. 1313 recording time. Death is the beginning. Like, it's a definitely 1313 is from the tarot, which is death. So it could be Scorpio, but death means a big transition into another 13, another change. What is wrong with you? Why my strands of hair? Let me see what is more coming. Aquarius. What I'm hearing is like someone does want to become they want to go into banking or investment field or banking investment something. Because I heard investment. Okay. Uh, Maybe it's about money. Look, Ten of Pentacles. Maybe it's about money and all that stuff. Like here, someone also possible failed as keeping a promise in your past. Recent, distant. But then things are changing. And it's changing unexpectedly. Tell me what is coming for Aquarius. Okay, very good. This card flew and it fell like far away from my place. So, what it is trying to say is the ending is going to be good for you. The wrap is going to be good for you. And they're also saying that what is falling off track and falling out of your life is a good sign for you, that it's falling away from you. So whoever is no longer in your contact or they are already out from your life happened for good. Okay? Ten of Wands is also saying that you're going to be free from burden or burdens or something that is not required in future as well, regarding connections as well. Okay? This is something good that you're completing, you're winding up, you're wrapping things up. Like in general, people, whoever is listening to me, female or male, okay, um, they are done with something in their life. Like they've done it to extreme and now they're done with. Okay, they don't want to continue doing that. That's what I'm seeing. Like if you've been, for example, you've been having a particular dish for the longest time of your life, and or you've been preparing that for the longest time, or you've been clicking pictures for the longest time and you are taking a break from that, like something that you've been doing for a long time and now you don't want to do it, or something that you've been doing and you never wanted to do it, you're going to wrap it up. Okay, that's something that I see. Yes, that's a good sign actually. What is coming is Four of Pentacles reversed. No longer waiting, no longer having feelings, no longer having complexities, no longer having maybe, yes, no, maybe, maybe, maybe. You're mostly maybe you're out, or you're going to be out of maybes in your life. Inconsistencies, okay, or inconsistent behavior. You're done with that. You're wrapping that up. It's also whatever was, things were on your mind, heart, and it was like making you feel like sitting in a cubicle kind of, you're going to be even out of that. And this is also no longer having that lingering feeling about someone or about something or for someone or for something. It's going to be over and out. It's like, okay, done, I'm done. Okay, it's like you're no longer expecting anything. Even in day to day life, you're not expecting anything. What you're doing is whatever is in your control, you're having that thing on your mind at a time, like one step at a time. Okay, and you're going with the flow. And but I don't know why I feel like someone is going to go like, because you're not giving that much attention because you don't feel that, someone is going to go like little crazy here, like they're going to feel possessive about you. Okay, like out of the blue. But most of you are done with maybe your stuck jobs or fixed routine or fixed pattern or something. You're just wrapping it up, and practically you're doing that with wands, with effort. Y- Yes, like it's going to be, you know what, I'm not coming from tomorrow. And then you're done. Like as if like I'm seeing here an envelope written resign or resignation, something that you're doing, and it's very personal. I'm not saying that everyone is doing that, but for a very maybe few percentage, you're just done. You're just mad now that why I did it for such a long time. Look at this, history connects with something, anything, with pattern, person, thought, feeling, emotions, memories, anything. Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.